straight, you see the pain in me. Put pray before you come my way. Took your pride, so lay your life. The cross this press won't bring you light. Straight, you see the pain in me. Put pray before you come my way. Took your pride, so lay your life. The cross this press won't bring you light.
I got coffee on my cock! Ow! Oh, it burns! Oh,
it burns so good.
Alright, so I'm gonna work on the interior for the CRX today. I deadass have like 40 boxes to undo, but got a crossbar. I think those are the rear seats. You'll call them that. Driver's seat. And I got carpet too coming. But it's kind of what it looks like right now. Just gotta start taking it apart. Get rid of my squirt gun. Yeah. Anyways, but yeah, start unboxing all this shit and get busy. Okay, NRG seat install here. Probably work for a lot of other race seats too. Well, this one's just the Prisma Ultra. Like 350 bucks. And I don't know. Looks like good bang for the buck. Good reviews. So I got it. But when you mount it on stock seat rails, I'm like 6 foot, and yeah, there's not a lot of headroom. I have like half an inch, maybe inch tops. So I got this planted seat bracket to try. There's the part number. Mine's a 90DX, but it's thick, it's robust, and it's expensive. It was like 196 bucks. Damn. So, anyways, if you're gonna use this and you're short enough, then lucky you. But you have to run some washers on this side, or the seat's not gonna be level. And for this side, some washers right there. And then you have to add to weld on some flat iron to both sides. There's no spacers on the back side, but to scoot the seat towards the passenger, because this bolster was hitting, so I couldn't close the door. Anyways, let me take this off real quick. Oh, also I couldn't go any lower on the back because something was hitting. That might have given me a little more clearance. But anyways, I'm gonna unbolt it real quick. Alright, got the seat off. And not a lot to show you. Just these tabs I welded on the end. I probably could have chopped off a lot of the excess, but that's how I got it to fit on the stock rails. As long as you got a welder, should be good. That bolt's like right on the edge. But I'm gonna take it out now. I kind of marked where those need to line up on the new bracket. But finish unbolting it. Okay, you got the seat bracket bolted down. Seems to line up pretty good. I didn't do the one under here yet. It's a pain in the ass. Wait to do that, but it'll line up. Then I left these. I put them in the middle slot. That's about where I had it. I left them just a little loose because I'm going to bolt the seat in and then adjust and come back and torque them. But that's where I'm at. Okay, I got the seat bolted back in, kind of sat in it, centered it up. It's like 3/4 an inch off this for me. And then just in the same positioning there, I gained about an inch. But it feels way better. Inch makes all the difference. I'm gonna unbolt it carefully and then tighten these brackets down and get that final bolt in. Okay, so it's all mounted in for the final time. It's good. I'm just gonna use the OEM lap belt for now. I bought one to mount here though, which I'll get to. But this thing feels 100 times better than the shit I had in here. I also put, I don't know if you'll call it a seat, but padding back. Maybe I'll make a short video on that too. But I still got to do the seat belts for this too, and headliner. And I'm waiting on a new trim piece, center trim piece for this. And then I've already put the new carpet in, mainly because I wanted all this to be nice around here and not cut up. And my old carpet was worn out anyway. But yeah, pretty cool. I'm pumped.
Ain't gotta win, games on a play, I'm fatal with pins. Native haters are waiting for him to lose, so I'm taking offense. Praying my days, my fate to an end, but what made you convinced?